right, so what we're doing is we're going to show you how to use Zoom. For those of you that are not familiar with Zoom, you are going to see that you received a email from whoever's at contact, whoever the admin person is at the office. They would have sent you an email that tells you have a Zoom meeting, and it tells you when we are going to start. So right now you're going to see this, and I'm the host. And you're going to see I open up my Zoom meeting. You'll get the same thing from yours. Yours will be a little different because I'm the host. But to get onto the Zoom class, this is where you need to be. Anybody who is on the learning platform, which we'll show you how to get in later, needs to be on Zoom. You need to have a camera. You need to be able to get in with a camera. You need to be able to show your face, because during your exams you need to be able to use the Zoom platform, and you need to know how to use the Absorb platform. So what you're going to see is you're going to see that I just have to sign in here. SW. To Gmail. So you're going to see that I need to sign in, and sometimes you need to sign in, whether you're signing in with your Gmail, whether you're signing in with your, whatever it may be. And I'm going to go to this one here, choose my account. I'm continuing to Zoom. It tells me I probably need a password. Yes, I can continue. Yes, I know my password. And you're going to see that I'm going to get onto Zoom. Seems like a lot of work, but once you get onto Zoom and once you get going, it is easy to use, and you'll be able to work with it, and you will be able to use it. So what you're going to see is, I'm just going to move my screen now to my Zoom screen. So you're going to see we're getting on Zoom. And here comes up the information, and it takes a few minutes. As I said, I apologize, my is so slow right now. You have meeting is currently in progress, end and start this new meeting. So I'm going to come to this one, and you are going to see that all of a sudden it comes up like this. Now this is the meeting that I'm in. It's telling me right now I can go to the evening meeting, but I don't want to go to the evening meeting. I just want to stay on my day meeting. So here you are. You're going to see the only person in this meeting is me. So healthcare. If you're looking down below and you are looking to mute yourself, there is a small little microphone here that you need to mute yourself on. I cannot put my video on because I'm already videotaping this Zoom meeting. But as you look along the bottom, so if you need to mute yourself, all you do is click on here, double click, and you will mute yourself. If you need your video on, you double click, and then your video goes on, and your video will go onto the Zoom platform. This tells me how many people are in the Zoom, and this tells me about the chat. So here you're going to see if you want to ask a question, if you want to say something, you're going to see that this is right here. All you do is type down here, "Hi everyone, I was wondering about the assignment, period." Now, if I've told you about the assignment 5 or 6 times, you can maybe help your peer out once or twice. However, if they keep asking for information about the assignment, maybe they don't understand it, and maybe they need to speak to me or their teacher. So you can chat, and then all you need to do is put this arrow here. We don't want to hear about your love life. We don't want to hear about your date last night. We don't want to hear any of that. So this is for school only. It is kept, and you don't want to have anything in there that you don't want everybody knowing. So that is your chat. Now, if you want to react, and I'll say to you, can you raise your hand? You see there's a little heart thing down here, and all you do there is you go to the heart, And up comes things. You can send effects, you can send reactions, you can clap your hands to any type of presentation. So you'll see that it'll come up. I put my hands up and it's right up there in the corner of my screen. Sorry, it's been a long day. If I want to get rid of that, it will go away when I up my effects. Then to raise your hand, if you have a question or I say, can you raise your hand, please? This is where you raise your hand. And when the raised hand is up, you'll see a lower hand. And when your question has been answered, instead of yelling out during class, you just lower your hand. You're also going to see a share button. I don't know if yours looks like this, but during presentations, you are going to have to share, you are going to have to talk, you are going to have to use technology. If you can't use technology, I'm sorry, you're going to have to take a course and come back because we cannot teach technology. So you're going to see that in our Zoom meeting. So my meeting has ended and you're going to say, okay. And that is basically how you use Zoom. There's lots of other features, but those are the basic features. I'm going to leave my Zoom link up. And the reason I'm going to leave my link up is so that I can show you how to go between two different links on a computer.